Hi babies, it's been a while, but today I'm going to show you guys how to do this Instagram baddie natural beat makeup look, so keep on watching. To prime, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Hydrating Primer. I love it. To give myself an easy canvas to work with, I'm going to spray my MAC Fix Plus spray all over on top of that primer. Then going in with the KKW Beauty Creamy Concealer in shade 6 and applying this to my under eyes. Also, I'm going to apply the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation and dot it all over my face in the areas that I want the coverage. Then going with the Rihanna Match Stix in the shade Truffle and applying this in the areas that I want more definition in. With the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, I'm going to go ahead and start blending my foundation, concealer, and contour as much as I can. Then going in with my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe foundation brush to further blend everything out. Then I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty Concealer in shade 5 to get a little bit more brightness under my eye, and this is necessary for that baddie makeup look. I'm taking my favorite setting powder. It's by Dermablend. This is their Banana Illuminating Powder, and applying that mainly under my under eyes, and then taking whatever is left over and using the beauty sponge to tap it around other areas of my face. Now with MAC's Give Me Sun Bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and bronze and go right over my contour shades just to bring color back into our skin, which is going to give us this really nice glowy bronzy makeup look. This is a holy grail bronzer. I cannot live without it. For blush, I'm using Livin the California Dream by Benefit Cosmetics. This blush is the perfect shade of pink and peach all together. It also has a very slight shimmer in it, so it gives you like this beautiful luminosity on your cheeks. Going back in with MAC's Give Me Sun Bronzer, I'm going to use this shade to give my nose a little bit more definition, also considered contouring, but because it's bronzer, it's not as harsh because it's not a cool shade. It ends up being a little bit more warmer, but it also, you know, brings our nose all together in with our makeup look. So now the fun part, I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. This is shade 4.5 and I use this to give a more stroke-like appearance on my eyebrows so it just looks a little bit more natural and fluffier. My brows are on the shorter side, so this also helps with lengthening my brows and making them reach more the corner of my eyes, which makes our eyelid appear bigger as well. So that's what I'm doing here. Following with Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit as well in shade 3.5. I use this one to further shade in any blank areas on my eyebrows and then setting everything in and also placing my eyebrow hairs in place with the 24-hour brow setter. To make my eyebrows look really nice and sharp, I go in with that same KKW concealer and clean them up, and this really makes her eyebrows stand out. Using the Give Me Sun bronzer again, I'm just gonna apply this all over my lids just so our lids aren't completely bare. Now I use the beauty sponge and further pressed in that setting powder, applied Fix Plus in order to have a nice smooth base for our highlighter. This is Dandelion Twinkle by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna put this everywhere where I just want to look really pretty and luminous. I further blend this by taking my blush brush and going over that just so there's a really pretty blend between both my blush and highlighter. So for lips, I'm using my favorite. This is the KKW Beauty Nude Lip Liner 3, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with it. Then using also the KKW Beauty Nude Lipstick, this is shade 3 as well, and going over that lip liner. Top it off, I'm using the Estate Cosmetics Lip Icing in the shade Drip. For lashes, I'm going in with Amandizzle's Hey Girl Lash. I love this lash right now. It is so popping and it just looks so beautiful with every look. But first, I'm going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Eyeliner to give them a base. Finally, for bottom lashes, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. And that is all to this Instagram baddie makeup look. You are ready for your selfie. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look, and I'll see you next time.